Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarp in PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is paid future absences or vacations. So, what we have here salaries, commissions, and bonuses, accrued liabilities arrive in connection with compensation expenses when employees have provided service but will be paid after the financial statement date. Vacation, sick days, and other paid future absences. Four conditions for accrual of paid future absences. So we need the four, not one of them. First of all, the obligation is attributed to employee services already performance. So they must have the right to take these future absences. The paid absence can be taken in a later year. The benefit vests or the benefit can be accumulated over time. So, okay, we are on December 31st, and these future absence can be taken next year. Payment is probable. I have to pay it. And the amount can be reasonably estimated. So, we need to know how much. If we don't know how much, we cannot record the journal entry. And let's go to our Excel file. And if you are a regular here, you already know that. If you're not, please subscribe our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. But I want to let you know that all our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So let's see here. Scarping Corporation, my fake company, has 2,000 employees. Each employee earns 2 weeks of paid vacation per year. Vacation time not taken in the year earned can be carried over the subsequent years. During 2020, 500 employees took both weeks vacation, but at the end of the year, 1,500 employees had vacation time carry over as follows. So 500 employees, they already took the 2 weeks. 800 employees took only one, so they still have one uh, week earned but not taken. And 700 employees, they haven't taken anything yet, so they still have 2 weeks. So let's check here how many weeks do we need to pay. For the first 500, we have nothing. So 500 times 0, nothing. The second one, 800 times 1 week, 800 weeks. The last one, 700 employees times 2 weeks, 1,400. So we have 2,200 weeks to pay. And during 2020, compensation averaged 700 a week per employee. So compensation average per week per employee, $700. So how do we record the vacation that were taken in 2020? Salaries, expenses, and cash, or salaries payable if we will pay it soon. Usually cash here. How much? 500 employees, they already took the 2 weeks, and we pay $700 per week. Plus 800 employees, they took 1 week of paid absence, and we pay $700 per week. So we pay $1,260,000, and the same for cash. December 31st, we need to accrue these 2,200 weeks to be paid. So salaries expense, 2,200 weeks times $700, 1,540,000, and credit liability compensated future expenses. And when year 2020 vacation were taken in 2021, we pay it. So we are paying this 1,540,000 in cash. However, what if Assuming 2021, the average pay is not $700 anymore. It is now 750. So we increase our employees' salary. So I will not pay 1 million for 540,000 anymore because they have 2 weeks. They don't have $1,400. So 2 weeks, and they will receive the actual uh, average pay, not the previous one. So what do we do here? Liabilities. Let's pay it. So we are paying this liability. However, how much we are paying here? 2,200 weeks times $750 per week. So we are paying $1,650,000. The number to balance it is an additional salaries expense, $110,000. How do we double check if this number is right? 2,200 times the difference between our average pay, 750 less 7. So we increase the salaries in $50. So $50 times 2,200 is $110,000. So yes, our number is right. So guys, this is how we record the paid absences. We record when they are taken. We record it as any other salaries expenses. The remaining weeks that we will pay in the future, they are a liability. And then when they take it, we pay this liability. Okay, guys. So thank you so much. Like this video, like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarping. And if you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.